Hey everybody, and welcome to the shop. My name's Grant and I'm a boat builder in northern Michigan. Today we're going to be putting together the stem and the knee for the riverboat build. A little different style than the other videos. Let me know down in the comments if you like it. If you don't, well, let me know that too. As always, give the video a thumbs up. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing, and when you do, hit the little bell icon so you know when the next video comes out. Enough gabbing, let's get to it. So I can make my knee pattern and the stem at the same time. For the sake of this video speeding up, I went ahead and traced out the stem already, and yeah, that one's good to go. The next thing that I need to do is trace out my knee. One thing that I decided to do kind of after the fact was I'm putting a piece of mahogany on the back side of the stem just to give it a little thickness. It'll doll it up some. So I moved my line out here on the stem. So this is going to be the front of my knee here, but I still want it to end at the same point. So we'll just trace all of this and then we can go to the stock. When you do this, make sure you're going to pick up, especially on the stem itself, water lines, because we are aligning this whole boat on water line 2. So we want to make sure that that's recorded so we know the height to set the stem on the strong back. We're just going to make a bunch of pockets. You're going to be seeing me using a bunch of Totalboat products throughout this entire build. They're kind enough to help sponsor the whole project, and I'd highly recommend you go check them out. They're a fantastic company to work with. Here I'm using their traditional 5-to-1 epoxy to glue the mahogany to the white oak. All right, so we're gonna call it there. I wanna thank everybody for taking the time to watch this video. Again, if you like this style, make sure you give it a thumbs up and come back next time. So that means subscribe, and when you do, hit the little bell icon so you know when the next video comes out. Besides that, questions, leave them down below. Yeah, that's all I got. We'll see you on the next one.